Struggling to beat the heat in your garage or workspace? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best portable garage air conditioners on Amazon that can keep your space cool and comfortable. From cooling power to energy efficiency, I'll break down what makes each unit stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Winter Portable Air Conditioner. The Winter Arc 14S is a powerful portable air conditioner designed to cool spaces up to 500 square feet. Its dual-hose system enhances cooling efficiency, while the dehumidifier function helps maintain comfortable humidity levels. The unit operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms and living areas. Additionally, it includes a remote control for convenient operation. However, the Arc 14S is quite bulky and heavy, weighing over 80 pounds, which can make it challenging to move between rooms. Some users have also reported that the dual hoses require careful installation to ensure optimal performance. Number 2. My second best pick, portable swamp coolers. The Hessair MC18M is a compact and efficient evaporative cooler designed for spaces up to 500 square feet. Its 1,300 CFM airflow and 4.8-gallon water tank offer substantial cooling power, making it ideal for garages, patios, or workshops. The unit features a 2-speed fan with manual controls, allowing users to select between fan-only or fan with cooling modes. Its lightweight design, weighing just 16 pounds, and built-in wheels enhance portability, while the rugged ABS housing ensures durability. Additionally, the cooler operates at a relatively quiet 53.4 dB, providing a comfortable environment without disruptive noise. Number 3. My third best pick, SereneLife Small Air Conditioner Portable. The SereneLife SLPAC10 is a compact and efficient portable air conditioner designed to cool rooms up to 450 square feet. Its 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, coupled with a built-in dehumidifier and fan, makes it versatile for various needs. The unit operates at a noise level between 52 to 57 dB, providing a relatively quiet environment. Additionally, it features a user-friendly control panel with an LED display and includes a remote control for convenience. However, some users have reported that the cooling performance may be less effective in larger or extremely hot spaces. Additionally, while the unit offers multiple modes, it lacks advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity or smart home integration. Number 4. My fourth best pick, LG 6000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. The LG LP0621WSR is a compact and efficient portable air conditioner designed to cool rooms up to 250 square feet. Its 6000 BTU DOE capacity ensures effective cooling for small spaces. The unit operates quietly, with noise levels as low as 51 dB, making it suitable for bedrooms or offices. It features a 3-in-1 operation mode: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan-only, providing versatility for different needs. The included window installation kit allows for easy setup, and the auto-swing function ensures even air distribution throughout the room. Overall, the LG LP0621WSR is a reliable choice for those seeking an efficient and quiet portable air conditioner for small to medium-sized rooms. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Vagri Swamp Cooler. The Vagri 2100 CFM evaporative air cooler is a powerful and efficient cooling solution designed for large spaces up to 700 square feet, such as patios, garages, and commercial areas. Its 3-in-1 functionality, air, water, and ice cooling, offers versatility to suit various needs. The unit features 120 degrees oscillation, ensuring even distribution of cool air, and an 8-gallon water tank that can be manually filled or connected to a garden hose for continuous operation. Additionally, it comes with 2 ice packs to enhance cooling performance. Overall, the Vagri 2100 CFM evaporative air cooler is an excellent choice for those seeking an energy-efficient and effective cooling solution for large, dry spaces. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite portable garage air conditioners? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.